If you're looking to upgrade your VR headset, the BOBOVR M2 Pro is a great choice. This is a head strap that's designed to reduce facial pressure for use with the Quest 2, and it's a really great product. So let's start the unboxing. The head strap features a gravity-balanced design that reduces facial pressure while providing the best possible experience for your eyes. You can adjust the headset's 5 nodes to fit your head shape perfectly, so no matter how big or small your head may be, you'll have an excellent time playing games or watching movies on your new VR headset. The battery pack can be detached from the headset itself and charged separately, meaning that you won't have to worry about disrupting the functionality of your existing devices or upsetting your friends if they try on your headset too. The head strap is compatible with the Oculus Quest 2 and is an easy, affordable upgrade over the original head straps included with the headset. Moreover, the M2 Pro head strap is more comfortable, better looking, and more durable than the original head strap, and will ensure that your VR experience is the best it can be. So, if you're an owner of Oculus Quest 2, this head strap will be a great accessory to pick up. That's all for this review. See you in my next videos.